Hello, welcome to the Fresh Green Grocer in my new area. I'm with Maricel today and we are buying fresh veggies. Look at the prices. So 100 yen carrots, but they're not here anymore. And we have the spinach, it's 100 yen. It's a big bundle. If we have to buy it at the supermarket, there may be 380 yen. And we have this one. Wow. Okay, I don't know the English of this veggie. Canola, I think. This is the canola. And then we have the cabbage. Okay, so all together. And they have here, okay, they have even a calculator. And then we have keys over here. And there is a camera, so I think the owner can monitor us. Some green grocers, they don't have the CCTV. Okay, there's another CCTV there. So this is an honesty store. Like, I think some countries, they have this kind of honesty store. And we have the green, what's this? Greenhouse. And then their big garden over here. Yay, it would be fun to come here every day to buy fresh vegetables and their farm. Look at my new neighborhood, a lot of detached houses. And then behind me is a Tamagawa Josui. This is a waterway from the Tama River or Tamagawa. They are man-made, or it's man-made, built by two brothers from the Tama River down to the center of Tokyo. And people survive because of the water. And in my other vlog, I told about the history of this 400 years old aqueduct or waterway. This will be my walkway when I go to my new house, but we can actually cycle. Okay, this is owned by, oh, it's a volunteer green. Look here, the katakana is volunteer thingy. It's part of the government project that you can rent a space of land for like 3,000 a year. Maybe Maricel and I will be having gardening. Okay, we can rent a space for our garden. Yeah, it's only like 3,000 yen. Yes. Okay, so now Maricel is paying. Okay, magtagalog tayo. So, ito, nagbabayad na ngayon si Maricel. Ito yung aming lulutuin. Fresh vegetables. At makikita nyo mga camera. Nakakatuwa naman. Tingnan mo, may CCTV. Baka binibilang din. Okay. Meron ng mga bibili rin. Yeah. Actually, marami naglalakad dito mula sa, let's say, other end of this, Tama River, up to like Hanakogane, kasi exercise sa mga matatanda. I used to have, yeah, ano pala, public land na pwedeng garden. 3,000 per year lang ang bayad. May student ako na sinabi niya to, bagong student ko. Meron daw silang hinire na land, government project. So, pwede kami magtanim-tanim ni Maricel. Meron kaming magtanim tayo ng strawberry. Madali lang daw. At, ayan, mga nagbabike. Okay. So, mga bahay dito ay Western style na rin. Hindi yung kagaya ng mga yan ang traditional Japanese house. May tiled rooftop. Tapos, ahead of me or you can see in front mga danchis, mga public housing ng government dito. Dalawa tayo na mabigat. Tapos, oh no. Tapos ito naman ay famous condominium. May mga students ako nakatira dyan. Mahal. Sobrang mahal dyan. At gusto nila kasi wala pang 1 minute. Ilang steps lang Tamagawa Josui na. At overlooking pag may fireworks sa Showa Memorial Park. Okay, so ito yung mga rented lands ng mga tao dito. Nasa sayo na kung ilan yung square meters. Tapos babayaran mo sa government 3,000 a year lang. So mayroon silang bakod-bakod kasi per family yan. Kunento nga ng aking student na yun ang libangan nilang isang family at nag-harvest sila. So every year, andin na kung ano-ano mga tinatanim nila. From tomatoes, pwede tayong magbahay-bahay kubo. May sigarilyas, may mani, may patani, may ano pa mga patola, ayan. Kaso 4 seasons sa Japan, kaya medyo ano lang, pwedeng mag-plant ng ano na, kaganito, March. Mag-harvest until October, harvest time. And then winter season sa December hanggang February. So, walang pwedeng itanim doon. Ayan, maglakad-lakad tayo sa magiging daanan ko na for, I don't know how long I can stay in that new place. Yung mga tinirahan ko sa Musashi Murayama, 10 years ako doon. Dito naman, it's 13 years. Ayan, yung mga bicycle. Yeah, siguro, prayer ko nga kay Lord, ano na, hanggang doon ako, hanggang mamatay, ganun tuloy. I'm sorry. Ang hirap maglipat. Naka 5 trucks kami nung linggo, hindi pa tapos. Kalahati pa lang dahil nga sa aking e-commerce. Okay, straight ahead ay Tamagawa Josui Station na. Kung makikita niyo maraming mga bikes, that means doon na yung station. Maricel? Okay ka lang? Ooh! Actually, buti nilang, nilagyan nila ng asfalto dito. Dati, wala to. Siguro, pag umuulan o medyo nagiging, puddle. Ayan. Tapos, itong lines of trees are actually cherry trees. So, ang ganda-ganda dito hanggang May. Ito mga sakura trees. Okay, i-stop ko to hanggang sa makikita nyo na yung monorail. Wow, mainit ngayon. Oo, medyo, alam mo, mas emotional ako nung ibibigay ko na yung mga olive trees ko. Di ko mag-vlog ako. Binigay ko na yung 2. Pero siguro hanggang 2 lang muna. Kasi 9 years kung ano yan, inalagaan. Yung mga binigyan ko ng olive trees ko. Sa nila, namamatay daw yung olive trees nila. So they are hoping na mabuhay nila ang aking mga binigay na olive trees. Okay, andyan na yung bus papuntang Tachikawa Station kasi ang Tamagawa Josui is actually the border. So sa other side of this station is Higashiyama Station and Musashi Murayama. Nasa Tachikawa side ako. See, that's my place. It's about, kung yukuri lang, yung dahan-dahan, 15 minutes walk. Pero sabi ng owner, mga 7 minutes lang daw niya nilalakad. Pag bicycle, mga 3 minutes lang. Ayan, okay folks. Okay, that's it. So that's my vlog for today. That's Tamagawa Josui Station.